Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to use a green screen just like this. Can you pan? And we're going to teach you guys how to, and I'm going to teach you guys how to put like fancy backgrounds and whatnot. So, let's get in the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is William Hernandez, and on this channel we do tutorials, reviews, and all that kind of fun stuff. So if you like that, consider subscribing. So first thing, before you start editing everything, you gotta make sure that your green screen is well lit and stuff. So if it's not well lit, it's gonna make it a lot harder for you. The most obvious thing is not to wear green. Do not do that, or else it'll make everything a lot harder for you. There are a few things right there to consider doing before you start filming and before you even start editing or anything. So I want to get that out of the way. So with that being said, let's get into the computer so that way I can show you guys what to do. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna want to drop in your clip into your editing software. I'm using Premiere Pro today. All the things I'm gonna be talking about today apply to like Final Cut and DaVinci Resolve, if that's what you're using. Okay, now in this next clip, we got me running across the screen like an idiot, doing all this weird stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys what to do now. So you go back into your FX search thing, go back to see Ultra Key again, type that in, drop the Ultra Key effect onto your clip. Then you wanna go to Effect Controls, like you normally would. You should see your Ultra Key panel right there. Click the little dropper thing, click with the brightest part of the image, so it's probably like right there, boom, just like that. Now the green screen is gone. Now we still have these little fuzzy things right here which we want to get rid of. So then you go to matte generation. You should see these things like transparency, highlight, shadow, tolerance, pedestal. You kind of just want to mess around with these little sliders and numbers until you get the little fuzzy things out of the image. The main thing you really want to focus on is the little shadow part right here. That's what these are. So, bam. So see, like if I bring the shadows up to 100, now you can see all of it. If I bring it down to 0, boom, now it's all gone. So that looks good for right now, but just to double check and make sure we got everything out, you want to go up to here where you see the little output thing right here, and it says composite. You want to go down to where it says alpha channel, and you should see your subject perfectly outlined just like this, which is what you want. So if it looks like this, you're good to go. If it had any other like fuzzy things in there, so if I put this back to like 10. So if you guys are still seeing these little things right here, like the shadows, and you still see the green screen right there, just mess around with these settings over here till it goes away, but make sure nothing affects your subject in here. So then when you're all done doing all that, you want to then go back to your output settings right here and go from alpha channel back to composite, and now you should just have your normal clip just like that. Okay, so once you get your green screen removed, like mine are right here, that's when you can start adding background. So what you're gonna want to do is pick up your clip just like that to a different layer, so that way this bottom layer is empty. And then you can grab a video or a photo and just drop it below it, just like this. So bam, now I'm on an ocean thing, just like this. Or if you want to do a photo, you can get a photo just like this. Boom, so now I'm in space and whatnot, so I can do that. It's fancy schmancy stuff. And now you can be flying through space just like I am. Just like that. And it's pretty fancy. Boom. Or if you don't want space, you can then have a sky like this where I'm flying or something. That's how you do your green screen stuff. So it's pretty easy. Nothing too complicated or anything. Alright, and that's the end of the video. So I hope you guys learned something new and interesting. This is a pretty fun thing to do if you want to put yourself in a different location or something. If you guys liked the video, drop a like, comment if you enjoyed it, and consider subscribing. I have a goal this year where I want to hit 300 subscribers, so hopefully we can hit that. So if you guys want to help me hit that goal, drop a sub. So that's it. That's the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.